Hi, my name is Aditya and I am the CEO of Automaski. Today I am going to be talking about universal variational and parametric quantum algorithm, which we have developed at Automaski. But before we start, a little bit about Automaski. We've been working on complexity theory since 1980s, solved P is equal to NP in early 1990s, got into quantum physics in mid 90s, and within a few years realized this universe is a simulation, and that too a linear order simulation, and that implementing physics won't require of the order of 2 to the power 3 n complexity, but rather order n complexity. We had developed our rudimentary quantum computer a few years later, but only in 2014, when there were massive publications, we figured out which gates to implement and what algorithms to benchmark and test with. Hence, one can say we implicitly achieved quantum supremacy in early 2015 by virtue of having created and tested the world's first production grade quantum computer. 2 years back, we simulated quantum gravity with a billion qubits. 6 months back, we publicly launched our RSA 2048 cracking service, available for anyone who cares to pay money and use it. Till then, it was available only to Department of Defenses and agencies around the world behind closed doors. And today, we are working on our quantum gravity computer based on causaloid formalism. Again, the core quantum gravity computer has been ready for years now. We've been playing with it and trying incremental changes. Just that we don't know how to make use of it because there is nothing published or available out there which shows how something like a quantum gravity computer can be used to solve real world problems. A small piece of advisory, please proceed with caution. If this presentation goes against your belief system, then please ignore this presentation, stop the video and focus on things you are passionate about. If you are respectful and polite, I would love to answer any questions you might have or listen to your thoughts. Feel free to email info@automaski.com. Now, this is a variational circuit. You basically prepare a quantum state, and then you have a parametrized circuit, and then you measure it and you measure the outcomes. You calculate the costs compared to basically the desired outcome versus the actual outcome, and then you update the parameters and then go back and prepare the state and execute the circuit again. You do this continuously till you can minimize the cost. This is an example of a parameterized circuit which was shown here. This parameterized circuit, this is an example where you have rotation y, rotation z and rotation x gates which depend on the parameter angle. By changing the angle parameter, you can actually create a parameterized circuit with the rotation gates, and this is what it looks like. Now, how did Automaski create the universal parameterized and variational quantum algorithm? Basically, we created a universal 2-qubit quantum gate, and using it we created a universal ansatz and parameterized circuit. Plus, we use gradient agnostic classical optimizer. There is no inductive bias problem, there is no barren plateau problem, there is no nonlinear optimization problem, nirvana. Some applications are solving partial differential equations, deep learning, eigensolvers, linear equations, etc. This Automaski solution delivers perfect solutions for the NISQ era. You might not want to believe it, but either way, this is what it is. Congratulations and enjoy. You take the blue pill, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Thank you. And if you have any questions, you can email info@automaski.com.